Well, guys, I'm at the moment, it's Sunday evening and I am at the unit, as you can tell. I'm still trying to get my mic to work, still my little DJI mic system. And as far as I can tell, it's meant to be able to plug it into the Osmo and it will pick up somewhere in that. And I just cannot for the life of me work out how this all functions together. I really don't know. So I've got some work to do on trying to understand this. So filming with the, because the reason I'm trying to film with the phone is because it's super easy for me to shoot and edit stuff. It's easy for me to talk to you like this. It just makes life so much easier. And you know, I can get the footage out quicker while I've not got Adrian here to do all the filming, etc. So yeah, so anyway, I'm here at the unit and I'm trying to get rods running. We've been trying to run rods all weekend and there's been a couple of times where it stops because it misloads and that causes a few issues. And it means that the lathe's not running. The problem at the moment is I don't know it's not running because we've got no network connection to the lathe to sort of say otherwise, which is kind of frustrating really, because I really want to know when the lathe's running and when it's not running and how many pieces we're going. Because I was thinking about this the other day. We log on the lathe. Now we'll do this in front of the lathe, but you won't hear anything because it's too noisy. So I'll do it up here. We run on the lathe. So we run all the parts and then someone on a tablet manually logs the passed parts and failed parts. Well, what I would rather have is the number of times we hit an M30, it logs it as a passed part, and then every time someone marks a failed part, it removes it from the passed part and just notes it as a failed, because it's easier to just log the number of failed parts than it is to log all the parts. It would just be, you know, like less stuff for the operator to do, which would or with less stuff for Liam to do, or less stuff for me to do when we're doing that. And plus we'll get more accurate. Whoa, hey, we'll get a more accurate count. I don't know what that was about. Yeah, so it's frustrating. It really is, but it is what it is, I suppose. Let's take you downstairs and I'll show you what's what down there. I'm going to take this charger down because this needs a good charge. Get it to come round. It's going to get noisy downstairs. I've got the 3D printers going, so I have to worry about that. I think my gimbal's running out of power. Do it above here. Let's see what's going on. Come in here. Oh, good. Misloaded again, and this is why I've hung about to kind of see what's going on. So we're getting these three blinking lights, and what's happened, the bar, so this was just here, has misloaded. This is like coming over too far, so I guess I need to wind these out a little bit to stop it from coming over so far, and hopefully that will solve that. So I'm going to do that now, because I really need these rods to run overnight. We've tried to run this all weekend and this has been the problem. So if I show you, let's have a look, see what we've got parts wise in here. I really need to also get a handle on what's going on with the door. We've not really got that many rods, 20 or so perhaps, not as many as we should have. So let's get that closed again. That was slam. So I guess I want to get these nuts adjusted so it comes over in the right place, so that we can get all of this lined up, and then we should be good. Let's see if we can do that now. I don't particularly know why this has had issues. Oh, it says that. Let's just pull that forward. Yeah, it fits. That's fine. Okay. So hopefully now she runs. That's what I'm really hoping. I'll go that way. So we'll clamp this start and rewind and go. And that should be it. I'm hoping I come back tomorrow morning and there's loads and loads and loads of those rods because I really, really need it. So I better go before my missus starts moaning at me. It's like 8 o'clock right now and I should have been posting parcels. Whoops. So I'll see you later. Bye.